It's like king of the best at everything he does, man.
I said that myself, don't you, bud, but it's exaggeration.
He's the chef and he's the best.
Hang on. You don't mean me, you mean...
Dude!
Stay cool.
Sorry, Sprout.
Next
Come on,
time.
dude.
Oh, yeah, come on. Oh, yeah. I'm the king of cool and I ain't nobody's fool. I'm a really nice guy, but would I lie? There ain't no basket I can't get in, and there ain't no ball that I can't spin. There ain't no place that I can't go. There ain't no thing that I don't know.
He's not money, he's for you. Oh, man, we like his food.
Stay cool.
Just wanna get him. He's so cool.
Cool.
Not like him at all. When he cooks, it's really tasty. You have to eat it all. Everything he makes was the best. Really makes you drool. Because he's the king of cool.
Stay cool. Here we go. Oh, yeah, come on. Here we go. Bring it down now. I'm a top chef and I know I'm the best. From pasta to pie, ain't nothing I won't try. From Caesar salad to beans on toast, and Cornish pasty to a Sunday roast. No man cooks, this man cooks. I learned it all from the recipe books.
He's not for me, he's for you. Oh man, we like his food.
Stay cool.
Just wanna get him, he's so cool.
Cool.
It's not like him at all. The way he cooks, it's really tasty. You have to eat it all.
Eat it all.
Everything he makes falls off legs. It really makes you cool. Because he's the king of cool.
Stay cool. You'll see. Hey guys, I've been baking for the ball, and look what I made. I know.
Sorry, I missed it. Can you show me again?
Okay, Candy, look closely. Here you go.
Okay.
There it is.
Oh, that's a very silly looking cake.
Candy, that's not a nice thing to say. I mean, it looks all right to me.
I don't get it. Dude, can you show me one more time?
All right, I'll show you one more time,
Yeah.
Candy. Here you go.
Uh-huh.
Last look. There it is.
Sprouts!
Sprout! Nice cake, dude. Very tasty, but a bit skimpy on the icing. So give us some more this time.